When it comes to accessing your money in a Starling bank savings product, the answer depends entirely on the specific type of savings account you choose to open. Starling offers different account structures, and each comes with its own set of rules regarding withdrawals. If you are using Starling's Easy Saver account, the answer is yes, you can withdraw your money anytime. This account is linked directly to your Starling personal current account through the Spaces feature in the mobile app. You can transfer money instantly back and forth between your Easy Saver space and your main current account whenever you need to, completely free of charge and without incurring any penalties. However, the rules change if you choose a fixed saver account. With a Starling fixed saver, your money is locked away for a set term, such as 1 year. Once you pass the initial 14-day cooling-off period after opening the account, you cannot make withdrawals or close the account until the full term has officially ended. The only exception for a fixed saver is if you experience exceptional circumstances or severe financial difficulty. In those rare situations, you can contact Starling customer support directly through the app to explain your circumstances. While they cannot guarantee approval, they will review your case to see if an early withdrawal can be arranged, though any funds returned early would typically be provided without interest. To summarize, if you need total flexibility and round-the-clock access to your cash, the Easy Saver lets you withdraw instantly at any moment. If you opt for a fixed saver, expect your funds to remain locked for the duration of the term unless you face genuine hardship. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.